Hello everyone, welcome back to a cheat engine setting tutorial. So someone asked me about settings because some of their cheats or some of their scans did not work. Yeah, so I'm going to show you what settings are uh, best. So under scan settings, make sure you could do these three are checked or two. Um, These are fine. Debugger options, use VEH. I guess it doesn't really matter. That's right. I had to re-download Cheat Engine. It's been a while since I've actually used Cheat Engine. Um, so yeah. Um, I don't think you need these. But yeah, so use VEH debugger and make sure these three are checked. Sure, I guess you can check these two if you'd like. We don't need those. And num keys or hotkeys are optional. I use increase value, plus key, decrease value, minus key, change value, the multiplication key, or asterisk, and the unchanged value / on my number pad. um, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this helps. Yeah, I hope to see you in the next one.